I'm Foyce. I'm an artist, singer, music producer. This is my 2-room BTO flat, which is 38 square meters in size. The renovation took about 2 months, and thanks to the orange interior, it's been transformed into a hotel-like home with every detail carefully crafted to fit my lifestyle. When I started the renovation, I wasn't exactly sure what I want, but I knew I wanted a dog-friendly home. Beyond that, I have no clear direction. This is when the orange interior introduced me to the star picker. These two helped me explore different styles and guide me in narrowing down my vision. What I discovered was that my style leans toward modern luxury style, elegant, sleek, and sophisticated. The team really brought that vision to life in the most beautiful way. From smart features to pet-friendly elements, the materials selected are waterproof and scratch-resistant. Every details were carefully considered. For example, the wide rack automated to descend, making it more convenient and accessible. The kitchen dish rack is also automated, lowering with just a click, making cleaning and drying utensils so much easier. I have concern about my dog barking and safety, but the orange interior addressed this issue with a door at the foyer, which muffles external sounds. They also designed a custom and laser-cut pet station, which fit my dog both perfectly with small stairs on the platform to help them climb. The raised platform doubles as storage, elevating the style of the home while being practical. As you can see here, the gold metal skirting and vinyl flooring is also waterproof and scratch resistant. My dog pee and scratch a lot in this area. As you can see, it's still perfectly fine. There's also wardrobe dehumidifier to keep my clothes fresh and well maintained. Every element balance function and design, creating a space that's stylish, practical, and perfect for me and my dogs. One of the greatest transformations was they reworked the layout, removing walls and adding a platform that combined both my room and living room, making the whole home a large space. It's amazing how much larger and cohesive my home feels now. Everything flows seamlessly from the entrance to the rooms. Do you feel like having a cold vibes when you walk into my house? You see these ice blocks, and it's the same that there's this like ice cube at the ceiling of my bathroom. It actually gives off like winter-like in the hotel vibes. So when every day I wake up from my bed, I feel like, oh, I'm overseas in a hotel having a staycation. That's what I really like. You can see here that it's the melody like one of my favorite, and actually from here you can see that it's totally connected to the living room and the TV console, that actually sometimes I will just black out the whole place and leave with just the melody light on. Okay, then another thing that is very subtle but it's actually changed the whole vibes, that is the LED light on the wall panel. By doing so, it actually blended in well and brought up this ripple effect on the ceiling. I think what actually makes my home very special is my study lights. And there is time that actually I would like to black out my whole room, only on the study lights. This would be like bringing the sky into my house. It was wonderful. It's like a family, and then they are really concerned about everything, every small details that I brought up to them. We have a group chat that they will always reply. Yeah, sometimes when I have a question, all of them in the group chat will reply. The ID, the creative director, and the ID assistant. They are very prompt with their service quality. Very happy that we work together as a team for me in this house project. This is my space, and I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. Thank you for checking out this video, and hope you like my video.